Okay, let's check out this quiz on rhythm and blues and rock and roll. Question 1. What was the name of the new form of jazz that evolved around 1945? Was it A, ragtime, B, Dixieland, C, swing, or D, bebop? The new form of jazz that evolved around 1945 is called bebop. Question 2. Bebop was a popular form of music. True or false? The answer was false. Although the jazz musicians themselves loved bebop, the general audience did not. Question 3. Fill in the blanks using these words here in the word bank. R&B's most prominent musical characteristics were heavy backbeats, major key melodies, simple chord structures, and repeated instrumental phrases. Okay. Question 4. Identify each artist as either a rhythm and blues musician or as a rock and roll musician. Louis Jordan. He is widely regarded to be the first rhythm and blues musician. Chuck Berry. He is widely regarded to be one of the first rock and roll musicians. Elvis Presley. Rock and roll. Jimmy Forrest. Rhythm and blues. James Brown, rhythm and blues, and the Beatles, rock and roll. Okay, question 5. Rocket 88 was issued under Jackie Brenston and his Delta Cats, not under Ike Turner and his Kings of Rhythm. That's true, even though it technically was Ike Turner and his Kings of Rhythm. Rocket 88 was issued under Jackie Brenston and his Delta Cats. Question 6. Caldonia by Louis Jordan was the first rock and roll song. True or false? The answer is false. Caldonia was the first rhythm and blues song. Question 7. Match each track to the year it was released. Okay, Rocket 88 came out in 1951. Don't Be Cruel. Out in 1956. Caldonia came out in 1945. Tutti Frutti came out in 1955. And I Saw Her Standing There came out in 1963. Question 8. The primary instrument in rock and roll was the guitar. That's true. Question 9. What style of music was characterized by fast blues music played on jazz instruments? A. Jump blues, B. Rock and roll, C. Swing, or D. Dixieland? The answer was A. Jump blues. Jump blues is an early variant of rhythm and blues. Question 10. The white variant of rock and roll was known as A. Jazz, B. Rockabilly, C. Bebop, or D. Rhythm and blues? The answer is B. Rockabilly, a sort of countrified version of rock and roll, as made popular by Elvis Presley. Okay, remember to review your answers. Thanks for watching.